If you want to know how to fix avatar problem on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. So basically, if you'll open our Snapchat and we'll go to our profile in the left top corner, everyone can find their own avatar. You've created it while starting using Snapchat or something like this. So we can easily change the background. For example, we can change the wardrobe if it's necessary. But what if we have some problems and we basically don't have some features or something like this? Or maybe we want to change our Bitmoji avatar. So how can we do this? We have the solution basically. We need to click on our settings in the right top corner. And then we have like settings page. We need to click on Bitmoji here. And as you can see, we can change outfit, edit Bitmoji. We can choose a selfie if it's necessary. So we can try to change it. And something changes. But basically what is interesting is that we can remove my emoji, my Bitmoji, and you click on remove. So after that, we'll start the process from scratch. So if we'll click on my avatar, we can now even change gender. We can swipe to the man, to the woman, and so on. In my case, I'm going to be a man, of course. And here we can change everything we need, change the skin, change the haircut, change some other stuff. And definitely this is the best way of how can you try to fix it. But what if you don't have these abilities, you don't have these things here? How can you try to fix the problem? The way of how can we do this is quite simple. We need to close the Snapchat. And then we need to open the App Store directly or Google Play. And here search for a Snapchat. So we need to find the Snapchat page on the Play Market. And here we need to find do we have a latest version, because sometimes Snapchat doesn't support any old versions and some features won't be available on the old version. So for example, avatar and Bitmoji stuff. So make sure that you have the latest version. After that, you will have the open button. And as you can see, everything is working correctly. As for me, I don't have any avatar problems or something like this. So this is a way of how can you do the same and how can you fix this problem. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.